3 years ago, I came across a video that inspired this whole build, and I think many others too. So this is gonna be my Porsche 944 Safari build. But what is a Safari? I couldn't find any definition of what a Safari exactly is. But my opinion is it comes from the rally Paris to Dakar. It's a famous rally where you go through harsh desert conditions with trucks, with cars and motorcycles. But the safari cars are not really rally cars. They are built for traveling, having fun and just for everyday use and not racing like those cars in Dakar. But I think it still inspired the builds to be lifted, to have some nice big tires on it, has some rally lights, have some roof racks and some mud flaps. So that's what I'm gonna do. So first I'm gonna build the roof rack. I built my roof rack out of alu profiles. They are kinda cheap and easy to build something out of them. So the purpose of this project is just a fun little project to do myself. It should be on a budget and not too expensive. I just want to have something fun to drive and to go on little adventures with it. Next thing I need to do is like the brackets for the roof rack to the rain thingy, so it holds the whole rack. So I bought some metal for the brackets for the roof rack, some 3mm thick steel. So here is my prototype of what I want to do. It's a little bracket, it's like a little L. This worked already, and it's just really small steel plate. This looks straight. Some safety goggles, if I have one. Size, but that's okay. This should get or should be bent the same way as this. Let's hammer it down. So it will hold like this. One goes into. So I tested my optimized little bracket. I put here on like a little rubber thing to test it out if it holds even better, and it does. But now we just need to produce 3 more of those L's. Good morning, everyone. I finished those little brackets yesterday, so now we need to fit them and look if they all fit correctly and then just make the holes. So I have all 4 pieces. Now we go to the car and hopefully they all fit and they all work as I intended. So what did I spend? I spent less than 200 euros on all the materials and the alu profiles for this roof rack. And that's less than every roof rack you can get from other brands for the 944. The next step is of course painting them, because it's raw steel and steel kinda rust really fast, we protect them with first a primer and then the black color. The last part is to drill the holes to connect the bracket to the roof rack. And that's it.
They fit like perfectly.
So next up would be the rally lights, but this on the next episode. So thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to join the journey and see how this build will go. Yeah, thanks so much and see you then. Bye.